now. It's mommy's break, so I will eat this safari. Oh, safari. It's chocolate. So I'm only wearing a slipper, and we're only here in the villa, around the villa.
My bike is so small.
So,
Mommy,
uupo lang ako dyan at kakain ng chocolate, guys. At ang ingay-ingay ng anak ko. Sa water. It's water.
I can do this. I can do it.
Assalamualaikum all friends. Assalamualaikum.
Whoa,
Hey Rawida, what are you doing there?
I'm climbing.
Oh no, take care. Oh, you fall down.
There's so much.
Cockroach? It's not cockroach. It's just only ants. Yes.
Tell them.
Malamig na ang panahon ngayon. Come here, baby.
Got you. Got you. I got you.
Dito lang ako opo, guys. Ayan. It's my kulilit. See hi.
I'm not calling Lilit.
Hi,
I'm
say hi.
Rawida.
You are what's your name?
Rawida.
Rawida. Hindi na ako nag-wear ng mask. Ito na lang yung hijab. So, tinatawag ito, guys, na hijab with niqab. So, ayan. So, diretso na siya. And magtataka kayo kung saan ako kakain sa chocolate. Kasi, na ganito ako. So, dito lang.
Mommy
Dito.
dance kung making the food. Huh?
I don't know what's my baby doing. Hey, what are you doing?
Watching the ants.
Watching the ants? Say hi to my friends here.
Hi. I'm watching the ants.
Oh. Hi, what are you doing? Can you come eat with me?
The ants coming to my
Oh my gosh, there's a lot of ants. It's a black ants here.
And my what? Whoa.
Baka kakagat.
Mommy, when the ants come here, it bumps itself. God.
Come here, come. Visit my friend's channel and subscribe. Thank you.